DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so natural, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends.
And welcome back to Airfros and Babyhairs. And today for our Let's Do Lunch Friday Feast Mukbang number 82, we're eating some comfort food. We got some macaroni and cheese, some chicken fried broccoli. Chicken fried cauliflower, and some string beans or green beans, however you call it. We also have some watermelon
I even like that. I like that part.
juice. So yeah, guys, if y'all want to join us for lunch today, then please keep on watching. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, today we're eating some comfort food. If y'all got some food, pull up and eat with us, and we're gonna go ahead and offer this up. So yeah, guys, how have y'all been doing? Hopefully y'all week went splendid.
TikTok too.
Yeah, follow our TikTok, guys. We trying to learn how to do it. It's been a little bit of a struggle. So far, Robin's TikToks have been getting a few views and likes and comments and flirts.
Flirt.
Yeah. Somebody said you was bad. And you was crushing on you.
What's my word?
Crushing on you.
Oh. That's the girl and the boy.
They were boys. What you talking about? It was a girl or a boy? It was a boy.
That boy stopped crushing on me, mom. People get other dude move over there and TikTok.
It wasn't Reed though.
Sorry.
Someone else.
Oh God. Please. Wait, you had a girlfriend ready? Move on. But me, I gotta move on too.
Right. So yeah, let's get into this food. We got some jalapeno ranch. Robin has some regular ranch.
Yep.
I'll put some on the side. So yeah, guys, y'all better have some. This is what we looking like.
Give me the hand for $1 anyway.
You'll be alright. You got food in your boat.
Okay. Oh yeah, Dad, don't be mad at well. It's a lot of go with a cute sauce and some fresh sauce on me. Don't be mad, well. He eats food, I said, they eat food, my dad, he had little dozen boys and the sauce on me. That's the TikTok.
He'll be alright. He was crushing on a girl when he was your age.
Yeah. Yeah, too, but we have to stop it for question somebody else.
Mm-hmm.
This is really good too. He ain't quiet.
Yes. Delicioso. But y'all, what do y'all have planned for the weekend? I don't know what we gonna do.
What a good.
Give our smacking. Got a lot of cheese on this mac and cheese. Anyway, y'all.
That's really good.
Mac and cheese is one of my favorite dishes. Mainly because I love cheese so much.
Not me not eat so much, like drink so much.
Mm. I could have just had a plate full of mac and cheese.
What's the I is I line? You I is the boys. What is the boy is on the first cross on me? I is the boy name.
I don't know. I have to look back at it. You want to shout him out or something?
Yeah. Good at the ends. You nice to me a lot, but you again, you is good guy. Seriously. Yeah, get smart, get handsome.
You ain't even seen him yet.
Not yet, but me I'm making first. I'm making first.
Right. Don't jump the gun.
Because mama called me mama called me the baby girl, not baby anymore, not a baby.
Yeah, but you still my baby girl.
Mhm.
Forever and always. How about that? Tripping.
I am Raj and the tire on Kendon. Kendon at the top?
Oh yeah. Keenan and Gale.
Yeah. This is on this is a lot Brianna at the top.
Brianna.
Yeah, that's a girl name.
Oh.
So a kite is not first crush on her. Seriously.
And both of them like the same girl?
No, it's I can't get to the old lady. Yes, it is.
Wow.
Don't do that. That's what the nasty people doing.
Yeah, they be doing the most.
I am Kitten's sister and fucking the first cousin in Kale, best friend. And this sister she's a hot, I would say that hot her down. Y'all like in her butt too, with her steam. It's a stuff.
Gross.
I killed his sister and jealous on boy and dancing on the girl. They had a very mad damn people doing
I'm sure they were. If that's supposed to be his girlfriend, I'm sure he was mad. She was dancing with somebody else.
it. They had the opposite do the stuff.
Hmm.
It's the light kitchen art is the club too. The club, seriously.
They be going to the club young as they are.
Hmm?
They kind of young to be going to the club, right?
I said 3 to 15 years old. Me and girl ain't alone. And parents were there. And the parents were there. Then they got their kids.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
But I am the young adult to go there and at the club anyway, when you're younger.
Yeah. So you sure they was at the club or were they just at a party?
They just
Or a school dance?
I is Kennedy in her own club. Seriously.
He owned the club?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I pay everything.
They had a DJ and they were dancing and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, food too.
He might not be 15 then. He might be older than 15. He owned a club.
I am go to the club someday.
You went to the club
Man,
when we was on the boat, on the ship.
yes sir.
You went to the teenage club when you were a teenager and you went to the adult club since you've been a young adult. Remember, we couldn't get you off the dance floor. You was shaking your rump so hard.
They do that, Mama. He was the seat anyway.
Yeah, everybody else saw you. We might go to a lounge soon. It's a little lounge in Corpus Christi I want to check out.
What's me?
We might go over there.
It's my mind and I'm playing on the short soon.
I gotta find your ID so you can get in the club.
Oh yeah, it's me. You have fun too in the club. It's so fun.
Yeah, especially when you like music and you like to dance and socialize.
Yeah, people in their age and drinking wine too. And me say you can't look about drink.
You don't have to drink liquor. You can drink juice or tea,
Yeah, it's good, but
water or soda. You don't have to drink liquor.
no, that's how really people doing too much.
Liquor causes problems to your liver, especially in our family.
Yeah. I remember my dad drank a lot too, liquor.
He better stop.
Don't do that. I learned from me how to get right people drinking too and driving.
Some melanated people be drinking and driving too.
What are you doing? Please.
He back there on his seat doing something.
I am really so excited too.
About what?
Get nothing about my birthday to women. didn't talk about it last before.
Your birthday.
He asked me before. He asked me everything.
I don't want to talk about your solar return.
I
Right now, you just had one. The summer ain't even over good.
Not a baby. Yeah, but I said I ain't asking.
Yeah, so I answered. I don't want to talk about your solar return, your born day, none of that. Right now, you just had one. So let's enjoy you being your new age. You gotta stop trying to make time fly by. Because when you do that, next thing you know, you're gonna be an old lady.
It's a
So
lot.
slow it down and enjoy the experience now. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. It's in my family. My family do it on your first it's a big day, your first birthday. Trust me.
Okay, we'll celebrate the birthdays when they get here. Until then, we just gonna celebrate the moment. Moment by moment. Speaking of which, shout out to the Leos. I think it's still Leo season. And upcoming Virgos. Ooh, this is big. I'm getting kind of full. But I do want to speak on a couple of things that I heard about. For one, I heard about Oprah Winfrey and Whoopi Goldberg having pneumonia. And also, there's been some rumors that Whoopi Goldberg has transitioned. I'm not really sure if it's true or not. But there has been rumors. And I really think that they're saying pneumonia to keep it cute. But we know these plagues going around are real. Hopefully they have a speedy recovery, a full recovery. Y'all have a moment, send them love and light. But this junk is crazy. And it also reminds you that it doesn't matter how much money you have, fame you have. It doesn't make you immune to none of this. Also, I heard that a CPS worker somewhere told a 15-year-old girl, you know, she was the girl's caseworker, but she told her that she needed to start prostituting if she wanted to make money and have food. And people are really shocked by that, but growing up in foster care myself, that is not unheard of. These social workers, as well as some of these foster homes, are a hot mess. I'm glad some of these people are now trying to shed light on some of the stuff that goes on. Me personally, I could write a book. The only thing is that I don't like going back to those times. You get what I'm saying? Like mentally, I don't like going back there. I like leaving the past in the past, especially when it's horrific and traumatizing. But I'm glad they're doing documentaries, exposés. You know, more and more people are coming out to expose a lot of this stuff. Yeah, it is crazy. And to me, it's ultimately human trafficking. And they know that it's going to traumatize you. How can you snatch children away from their biological parents and stick them in all these different strangers' homes? It makes no sense. And half of the time, the social workers do not know these people. Go to your room. They just make them take a class. If you can pass the background check, as far as, you know, never going to jail and all of that, but people can be doing stuff that they haven't been caught doing. They could still be doing it. So as long as you pass the class, you're considered a suitable fit. But these people can be monsters. They could be very much so worse than the families you took them from. So I'm glad they're starting to cover that. There's a system that really needs to be shut down. I feel like if children are in a messed up situation, they should resort to actual family members. Other family members. It's always a grandmother, an uncle, an aunt, a cousin, a niece, nephew. And if not that, then family friends. So, complete strangers should never be the solution. But anyway, y'all, we're about finished eating. And we want to invite you all to connect with us on our other platforms. We have them listed below in the description box. Also, check out our Shopify store to check out our latest merch. And with that being said, we do want to thank you all for stopping by and having lunch with us today. Excuse me, we really appreciate your time and energy. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next Mukbang. Peace and love. And as always,
Be blissful.
be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be natural.
The
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, fucking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is children on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffaloes. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous, what you wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends, and I look like $1 trillion. Lady, we won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto, naturally thick in the butt. I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough,